Hello, my name is Romain Fouchereau. I'm a research manager at IDC. After what has probably been some of the most disruptive times in recent history, it is essential for your organization to take full advantage of new business opportunities and to leverage technology to enable business outcomes. If you want to be successful with new strategic IT initiatives such as multicloud, SD-WAN, security, and automation, you will need to address 5 fundamental points. See your resources across all platforms, have an authoritative inventory of all your data, implement end-to-end automation by connecting management tools, have visibility over traffic to be able to detect hidden threats, and intelligent application traffic routing to strengthen resilience in your disaster recovery plan. DDI, which stands for DNS, DHCP, and IP address management, is a core network service that brings together all those 5 points. So it is foundational for enabling your strategic IT initiatives and reignite business. So let's take SD-WAN as an example. In our enterprise communication survey, IDC found that 68% of respondents were planning to migrate to an SD-WAN architecture within the next 2 years. And the most important factors to accelerate this transition were the ability to increase the flexibility to use different networks for application delivery, the ability to change bandwidth in near real time, and to reduce management complexity through automation and orchestration. But a new SD-WAN deployment also brings new challenges. For example, as IP address control can become more difficult to manage because of the routing now happening between internet sites, but also the routing of IP traffic itself is more complex because of the multiple paths between sites. Also, network security is not a native feature for many SD-WAN solutions, and deployment, of course, of large SD-WAN networks remain complex and time-consuming. SD-WAN relies on DDI services to ensure scalable, secure, and efficient connections from the edge of the network to the endpoint. And DDI will help your SD-WAN project by providing a proper IP address plan management for consistency and integrity of the IP addresses, over-the-top application traffic steering to improve user experience and performance, a more streamlined security through corporate policy enforcement across the entire SD-WAN infrastructure, and a rich consolidated IP data lake with metadata to offer end-to-end automation and zero-touch network operations, all of which contribute to improving resiliency, speed of deployment, and user experience. So without the implementation of DDI as part of your overall strategy, you just cannot address and solve any of those challenges to take full advantage of what SD-WAN can offer to your business. If you want to learn more about how DDI enables SD-WAN, but also other strategic IT initiatives, you can download the full executive brief from IDC and Efficient IP, available on efficientip.com.